Welcome back. In this video demo, I'll continue to show you how Epilog Author offers significant productivity in the creation of electronic performance support content. This is part 2, where I review the editing and enhancing capabilities you want to use after creating your base recording. So let's get started. Here's the base recording from the first Author demo, Epilog Author Quickly and Simply. I took the liberty to add some information into the project to save some time. So in editing and enhancing, what's the first thing I do? I start with editing, where I look over the document to see if anything is out of place, duplicated, missing, etc. We have a feature that really accelerates editing. It's the step viewer. The step viewer helps you navigate around the document. The blue step is the step you're on. You can click on a step to jump to that, and in the Word section you can click on a step and the step viewer jumps to that. You can navigate bidirectionally. You'll notice steps in yellow. This is a hint that the recording didn't get everything we were looking for. Let's go take a look. Right-click on the step and in our edit window select Edit. While recording, Author was looking for information on the control type, the action, label, and value. The label is blank. But in this case, it's not an issue. The instruction is fine. If the step had been in red, then more information is missing and you definitely want to review that. So one feature of the step viewer is to target your review. Now let's look at another type of edit. I'll go to step 2, click the new account hyperlink. In the screenshot, it's actually a button, but the application called the control a hyperlink. I'd rather call it a button, so I'll just change that to a button. The syntax options are listed here. I like this one. Click on that. It's done. There, that's better. What else can we do? The import steps feature allows us to import steps from another recording, which can be a nice productivity feature. It also allows us to import PowerPoint slides, which is great for adding context and more information. Here's an earlier PowerPoint slide, and here's how you do it. You can insert notes and headers from our library. Here's a note I inserted earlier. I'm going to insert a new one here. I think I'll pick a caution note. Here we are. Now spelling is important, and it's apparent I can't spell. So Word's spell check feature is very useful. Now I'll show you hyperlinking. You can hyperlink to other steps in the project, which is very useful for if-then types of conditions. Just like this. And you can use Word's native hyperlinking to link to documents or URLs, like this. Now, it's important to give your document some properties, which helps in managing your content. This tab can be redefined to better reflect your organization and approach. Here's where you pick doc types you want to generate when you publish. The same here for output types and the simulation types. You can translate your project into other languages. You can view other templates to see how they look. Lastly, our simulation editor is very cool. Graphically enhancing images can be done with our simple graphical editor like this. I'll save that and go to another step and show you how you can launch the graphical editor of your choice, which in my case is Snagit. We allow you to leverage whatever graphical editor you use to further enhance the image as you desire. Here I'm inserting a callout. Now I'll add a ripped edge and exit Snagit and save the image. Back in the simulation, there's the new image. I'll close out of here and go back to the project, and here it is, as it will be in all output types. Here's the other one I did. Now let's take a quick preview look at the simulation. the simulation runs, and had I added audio, which is very simple, you'd be hearing that. The simulation control, stop, go back, forward, and the step view lets you pick where you want to go. Okay, I'll X out of here. It's always a good idea to save frequently and then publish to our Epilog publisher, to a local drive or server, or to a SharePoint workspace. Well, I hope you found this quick demo of our editing and enhancing capabilities interesting and informative. There's a lot more we can do, and we'd love to show you how. You may be interested in our other videos. The first author video shows how quick and simple it is to capture how your application works. Epilog Advisor is our real-time delivery of EPS content to end users while in application, making it effortless for them. And lastly, our Epilog Publisher brings it all together for system admin, QA, monitoring, feedback, and reporting. Thank you for your time, and please feel free to contact us to learn more.